There it is right there, just like I thought it would be. Now I gotta figure out a way to get these cables routed down there. I see an opening. There you go. Get them both clipped in there like that. Shove everything back inside here. We'll probably be able to get a tie wrap on it. And tuck it up in there. Okay, so the unit itself tucks perfectly between your air box, and I believe that's the battery. It's a nice snug fit. You don't have to tie wrap it to anything, and then your wires just kind of get tucked in along this routing through here. Now we're going to fire the bike up and see if the LEDs give us any error codes. I don't think they will, and then if the bike runs, then we'll put everything back together. Okay guys, here we go. Got one little tie wrap here that holds the harness in there. Those two connectors are just kind of floating there like they were originally. And then routed the wire up through here. Nice clean routing path. It's not rubbing against anything. And then the actual Fuel X unit sits there. I'm gonna turn the key on, see what happens. Blinky lights, yay, yay, yay. I don't know what the lights mean. I'll have to look it up on in the instruction manual. It's supposed to auto adjust. Response seems to be a little bit quicker. Not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. These bikes are sweet. I've been commuting on it. I don't know if I can get to my... There you go. Got 1,432 miles so far. Pretty awesome. And like that, everything's back to normal. You can't really tell that there's anything on the bike. Obviously, if you take it into the dealership or whatever, they can lift the seat up and see that it's on there. The only thing this unit does, once again, is it adjusts the AFR a little bit richer, and it tries to maintain that. So if you add mods to the bike, it's going to adjust the AFR to like between 14 and 14.3 instead of trying to target 14.7 like the stock ECU does. But with all things being said, I am going to have an episode coming up where I put the airbox mod on there, and then that should be plenty. I mean, it's plenty of power stock for me. I don't know why people want to get these things with even more power. I'm a new motorcycle rider, so it is intimidating having a bike that's got that kind of power. 43 or 44 horsepower to me seems quite a bit for a bike. But anyhow, other than that, I think that's probably going to be it for this episode, guys. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please share it. That's how my channel grows. And I do appreciate you guys. You've been doing that recently, and I've noticed a little bit of a jump in some subscribers. But other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and as always, I will catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.